In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Constant Contact. Whether you're reaching out to customers, clients, or a special group of people, newsletters are a fantastic way to stay connected and share valuable information. Let's dive right into the process, making it as straightforward and efficient as possible. First, head over to the Marketing tab found on your Constant Contact dashboard. This area is your main hub for creating email campaigns, similar to what I've shown you in some of my earlier tutorials. Click on the email option there. This section is specifically designed for creating and managing your email communications, including newsletters. Next, you want to select Create an Email. Here, Constant Contact provides you with a variety of templates to choose from. These templates are professionally designed and can save you a lot of time. They offer different layouts and styles, so you can pick one that best fits your brand's aesthetic and the message you want to convey. Don't worry too much about making it perfect from the get-go. You can customize it extensively using the drag-and-drop editor. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to start adding your personal touch. This is where the drag-and-drop editor comes in handy. With this tool, you can easily add your own text, images, and branding elements. Think about what makes your brand unique and try to reflect that in your newsletter. Also, consider how you can include content that will be engaging and useful to your audience. Maybe you want to highlight a special promotion, share a behind-the-scenes story, or simply update your readers on recent news. After you've customized your newsletter, it's crucial to preview it on different devices. People could be opening your email on a phone, a tablet, or a computer, and you want to make sure it looks great no matter which device they're using. Constant Contact allows you to do this easily. Just use the preview function to see how your email will appear to different subscribers. Once you've reviewed your newsletter and ensured everything looks good, it's time to send it out or schedule it. First, double-check that you've included all the information you intended to share and verify that there are no typos or broken links. Then, decide if you want to send it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. You can schedule your emails to go out when you believe your audience is most likely to engage with them, maximizing the impact of your message. Finally, select the contact lists you want to send your newsletter to. Make sure your lists are up to date and accurately segmented to ensure your message reaches the right audience. And there you have it. Your newsletter is ready to go, helping you communicate effectively and maintain a strong connection with your audience.